Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and I am joining in with the whole kit and caboodle with Ginger's Corner for the month of May. Okay, so today I'm joining in with Ginger's whole kit and caboodle, and so I've been waiting, and I decided as soon as I saw this kit, this was the one that I was going to go with. Now I get the Uniquely Creative kit every month, and this last month was Echoes of the Outback, and as soon as I saw this one, I knew this was going to be the kit that I was going to use for this hop with Ginger. So it is just stunning, and look, it is an Australian company, Uniquely Creative. They make beautiful papers. The quality is very, very nice, and I like working with them. They are challenging at times, but that's okay. That's the best part. On the back here, as you can see, there's some cutouts that I'm going to be able to incorporate into my layouts. So what I'm going to do is I will create the kits, but I won't put the embellishments in the kits. I'll leave those to the side because I don't know which embellishments are going to match with which papers. That's all going to come down to the photos that I choose. But look at these beautiful gums, our wattle, this beautiful imagery here. It's just amazing. So this is the Uniquely Creative Echoes of the Outback, and I just love it. So that's the one I'm going to focus on. Look at these papers. They are just stunning. Look at them. You get two of each of them. They are at side, so A side and B side. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Then you get these two. Look at that with the wood bricks in there. Oh my goodness. Australian wildflowers. Just beautiful. And that is the other side. Stunning. Beautiful color range. Then there's this one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just magic? Oh, corrugated board. Beautiful, beautiful. And on the alternate side, the starburst in the natural tones. I love it. Just magic. Oh, and look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Look, the old rusty barn. I love it. It's just so outback, so Australian. Oh, yes, love a good plaid. Got to have a good plaid, and this is beautiful. So that's magic. Yes, perfect. Okay. Oh dear. And look at these cutouts. Oh, I can just use these bushland blooms, it's called. Beautiful. Fussy cutting. Here I come. And then it's got that lovely, what we call, Hessian. What we call Hessian. We call it Hessian here in Australia. Lovely. Looks like the sacks that you make, and you guys call it burlap. So that's beautiful. You get two of those. So one will be fussy cut, obviously. Maybe two will be fussy cut. Oh, look, all the Australian animals. This is very, very cute. Looking like I'm going to need to use my circle dies for this because they are too good to wreck. So I'll be doing circle dyeing for those ones. Oh, and wood grain on the back. Everybody knows I love a good wood grain, and I probably will be bringing in some wood grain as extras to bolster this up. And I just love it. Look at that rich brown, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love, love, love. And then there is this cut apart page, which is a magic. Look at it. Look at all those bits and pieces. Look, the flowers, desert pea, the waratahs. We have white ones here in where I live too. Beautiful. Flowering gums. Love a good flowering gum. My favorite. This, look. Yeah, probably, look, best buddies, best weekend, best day ever, best wishes. Look, the tickets, postcards. We've got more of this. I like it. That would definitely be one full sheet of cut aparts. But look at the back. Oh, look at the back. And even the branding strips. Like, yummy, yum, yum. So there's two of those. Oh, it's yummy. Oh, look at that. To die for. Beautiful. Simply stunning. And then that's on the reverse. And they're your arched windows. And they will make amazing tags. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? Oh my God, that is just lovely. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Very Australian gum leaves. Flowering gum. Beautiful. Oh. And then in the kit, also got a sheet of burlap, which is really good. And I don't know if that's not adhesive. I always wonder if it is or it isn't. Not too sure. Or it's just the gum that's holding it together, making it stiff. So anyway, I have a full sheet of Hessian, which is great. That will become a feature, no doubt, in the kits. I think that will live most likely in the embellishment pile until I need to use it, because I wouldn't use a full sheet of it, but I would use it for layering and so forth. So I'm going to put that to the side. Then in the kit, because I buy it, you get frames, and obviously they're to be used for cutting out your different banner tags and labels. Nice, nice, nice. And then there's a flowering gum there. That's beautiful. And I think that's actually just going to be a skeleton. Oh, it's going to be like a die card. It's going to be so good, like a cut file. Love it. Great. All right, what else did we get given in this great kit? And see, this is why I like buying these kits. They're so full. You make pretty much an album from the kit. And look, got some black gems, which are going to be handy. And then a full pack of ephemera. Look at that. Oh, look at them all. Beautiful. Kookaburras, cockatoo, Jack. Look at that. So there's so many beautiful pieces in there. Oh, another die. Look at that. Yes, beautiful. The dandelion. Oh, with the wind blown. Oh, look at this. It is a tag set. How cool is that? Very spiffy, if you ask me. You could probably make that. It's a mini tag stencil. I like it. That's very cool. Yes, yes. Lots of work can be done there. Oh, and an embossing folder, and I'll make sure that I use it. Oh, look, I love these sleeve pattern. That's perfect. Oh, and then we've got some wood veneers that go with it, the laser cut wood veneers, and they're fence posts and the netting. So you can see that they're going to be the main pieces of my kit. Look at that. Just beautiful. As I said, I'm going with a uniquely creative one. We're going to use this whole kit and caboodle because I don't want to put it away. I don't want to have any bits where I need to go and find somewhere for it to be. So I'm going to use it all up. And the whole process of this is that we use everything in that kit to create pages to make memories for our album. And in Genia's whole thing, you need to, I will come back in the next video and I will make 6 layout packs, plus that will be the start, and then we will go from 6 layouts, and then whatever's left in the layouts, they will go into the scrap pile to create base pages, and from the base pages we'll then make more pages. So it's exciting to see. But as I said, I'm going to be pulling in some wood grain because you all know I love wood grain. And I have these beautiful, rich, beautiful colors here. This one here is from the Stamping Up collection of wood grains, and I will be using those mixed in with my layouts somewhere. Maybe some of them, maybe not all of them, but I just wanted an extra bit to boost up because, you know, I love wood grain. And because it is the Outback, I just need to bring in the bark, and I need to bring in those gum tree colors and things. So that's the kit. You saw all the bits and pieces. There's all the extras that are going to go with it. Love this beautiful Hessian, and then those beautiful, rich, gorgeous papers that you saw. There are so many pages, and when I come back in a little while on the next video, we're going to pull it all together into 6 page kits, which I'll put to the side, and then we can get started with building our whole kit and caboodle album. I think this is great. I love it. Now, I don't know what photos are going to go with these. I don't know how it's going to all end up. I'm just going to pull it together into the layouts. You have to admit, they are just stunning. And of course, no doubt I'll use things like my gathered twigs, because that will be matching it, and the scorched timber, because they're going to be the colors, and most likely things like bundled sage and so forth. So I will be back in the next video very soon to create the 6 page kits so that we can then start building our layouts. Happy scrapping, everybody. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you very soon with that next that fun part, building our kits. Happy scrapping, everybody. Looking forward to this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that thumbs up.